All right, sorry I keep forgetting to record YouTube, but here's another short video. Today we're gonna put this Trans Am GTA 36 millimeter hollow thing that I got on eBay. You already have the we put the brand new bushings in there, and I got new bushings on car. There we go. So we are gonna lift it out, take the wheels out, undo the one that is in there, and put the new one on. I forgot to record yesterday, but yesterday I put the lower control arms. I don't know if I can see them. Let me see if you can see them right there. Yeah, lower control arms from UMI and a panhard bar. So today we're gonna put the sway bar. You can tell that sway bar is so tiny. You can see it right there, and that's what we're changing today. All right, as you can tell, how it's a huge difference. Although that one is solid, the 36 millimeter bar is hollow, but it's a lot stronger and it's a lot lighter. So now we're gonna put it in. I'm having issues with taking out the links, the end links, but next weekend I'm gonna change the end links anyway when I do the suspension, the springs and all that. For right now, we're just gonna put this on. I don't want to mess too much with it and then damage it and then not being able to drive the car. So we're gonna put it on and then drive it and see how it feels. All right, so to finish the video, we drove it, we tested the suspension. I still got to do the springs and shot. I think my shots are shotted out of the springs, but I got them. I'll probably change them next time. Today, although it was a beautiful day to take it for a test drive and all that, I've been driving for a week now, and the sway bar, that's a huge difference. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. So much bigger. That thing is huge compared to the old one, and the old one was so much heavier. I don't understand how thinking that that's a solid bar, even though it's a smaller diameter, it was 10 times heavier and it flexed a lot. This one that's being 36 millimeters is hollow, weighs almost half the weight, and is, what can I tell you, it's a lot stiffer for the car. The car it doesn't feel jarring. It's just when you take the turns, it doesn't lean to either side that far. So far so good. We just washed it. The car was like super dirty. You know, it's a economic paint job. Again, this is my daily driver now, so I don't put miles on the Mach 1 or the Boss or the Trans Am that is back there, or the Night Rider car that is under the tarps. Yeah, I have a problem with cars, but again, as you can see in my channel, none of these cars look like the way I got them. I got them for a really decent price, one at a time, and I worked on them. And like the Challenger that I have, that was my daily driver, I did some work on it. I put it on the channel and sold it and did okay. And you know, this car is not that bad. So this one to you, this is a economic paint job because it's already cracking. Look at that. So I don't know if it cracked from the and you can see the underneath it is the oh my god, the primer. So it is what it is. After a while, I guess we're gonna take it and make sure that do a better job with the paint. So for right now, sorry I'm moving so much, a bunch of my racks fell off. Look at this. You can just, these water spots are terrible. I don't know what's in the water in Suffolk. Oh my god. Anyway, so the car rides a lot better. It was worth and again, these are available on eBay. I bought both of them. The one for the Trans Am, believe it or not, it's almost the same as this one had, which it was odd. You're thinking that the Trans Am will have a better suspension. I mean, the springs and shocks are really good and really tight on the Trans Am. but the swivel was almost a little bigger than this one, but it wasn't a 36 millimeter, maybe 30, if that. So, but the car is looking good. It's doing good. The interior it's all right. Oh, I also did some wide gauges. I went and I bought the I bought this on eBay as well. The wide gauges on eBay. I don't remember how much it paid. It wasn't that much. It was not hard to put in. You just gotta have patience, because you want to make sure that the little, you see the numbers are all hollow, so you can see through, and you got to match it with what's behind the other. So again, I probably do a quick video tonight when the sun goes down to turn the lights on and see how that works. But so far so good. Again, it's gonna be hard to let this one go if I sell it. I'm thinking, since I got some money invested in with the paint, the everything I fixed on the car, I don't know, I can probably sell it for 12, 10. We'll see. That's if I sell it. I'm having a lot of fun with this car. All right, until next time. Okay, so let's finish the video. It's been taking me a couple of days to finish it up. Switch out the oh my god, I can't even talk straight, it's so cold. I switch out the sway bar. I still need to put the links. Hopefully this weekend I can finish putting the new springs and shocks for the car. I actually took the extra sensor in and speaker that I have on the 99 WS6, and I put it on my fake kit, and I set it up for a very short distance, so because it took forever just to get it put it on and see where I put it, because this is not the kit knows, so it's a little harder to set it out in place and, you know, have a space for the speaker and all that. So what I did is I usually have a switch where I can turn it on, or a remote control like the other kit that just press it and it would turn on. This one is always on, and that's what I set it up for, 3 feet opposed to like 10 or whatever. So if you walk through in front of the car, it will say something.
Michael, I'm getting some unusual readings.
Again, I didn't put the light because the scanner is an inch wide, so no wide, thick.
You two are not getting it to me until you both have a thorough steam cleaning.
All right, let me walk away so he doesn't get, because I set it, like I said, I set it for 3 feet. Past 3 feet, it won't, you know, it won't pick up anything. And the only reason is because I can't put it up where my other car actually has a little hole where nobody can see it, and you know, it picks up to like 14, 15 or 25 feet. This one is only, again, 3 feet. I didn't put the bar, like I said, because this is not a Night Rider bumper, but I do like the reflective tape. I know it's cheesy, I know I'm gonna get a lot of slack. It's just that this car is so nice, and the bumper is original from the car, that I really don't want to cut it. I think I have an extra bumper that didn't fit my 82 Trans Am, but I don't think, if it didn't fit that car, I doubt that it's gonna fit this car. If I was good with body work, I probably, you know, I will do like a couple of guys did, where they cut it and they actually built a Night Rider nose, you know, a space for the scanner. But I'm not a body work. I don't do fiberglass. What I am working on is to do the smaller upper console for my kit, because the one that is in the kit right now is very big, and I hit my head all the time every time I get there. All right, that's all for this video. I just want to tell you the car ride's amazing. It's the sway bar, especially getting it for $100 on eBay, it was a win. And just putting it on, and it was not hard. I have also the Wonder Bar, which also works great. These are the second generation Trans Am rims from 79 to 81, which actually Kids Customs from Mexico make some hubcap covers that will actually look just like my Night Rider car. That's exactly what I have on my Night Rider car, which is over there. It's underneath the covers. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. I'm gonna finish this video as it is, and one more time, let me see if Kit will talk.
Thank goodness Wilton Knight isn't here to see this sacrilege.
Again, 3 feet. Once I move away, he won't be able to say anything, which is great. You know what I mean? At least when people walk by, it's gonna get a nice, I wouldn't say a scare, but you know, a nice surprise. I am working on a second upper console for this kit with voices and all that stuff when you press a button. So that's further down the line when it gets maybe in the spring when it gets nicer out. That's all for all. See you next time.